Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video or in this section we are going to work with a bill or invoice, we can say. In other words, we can say bill, we can say invoice. Okay, so we are going to write code for our bill. You can see here we have created the button print bill, and now in this section or in this video we are going to start to writing code for creating the bill or invoice. So simple. For creating invoice we need a dependency file which name is fpdf. So first we need to download it and we will include in our project, and then we will use for creating our pdf file in the bill format. So let's open Google, and here we can search fpdf for php. Here is a link, www.fpdf.org. let's click here and you can read about it from this fpdf library. PDF generator. fpdf, it is a php class which allow to generate pdf files with pure php, that is to say without using the fpdf lib library. F from fpdf stands for free. You may use it for any kind of usage and modify it to suit your needs. Okay, and you can read about it from here. Let's go on download, and from the download we can download the latest version of fpdf from here. You can see the version 1.5 1.85 is available for us, and now let's download by clicking on the zip. Click here. It is downloaded now. Let's open, show in folder. I have already downloaded it 2 times. Let me copy this and let me paste on my desktop. Okay, let's unzip this, extract all here. Okay, now you can see here we have the folder. Let's rename this folder. I am removing this 185 and 2, and inside this you can see we have some folders and tutorial folders and fpdf php file here, and license and installation instructions. Okay, so it is open source, don't worry, we can use it. And let's copy this file, this folder, and let's open our project folder. Our project folder is inside XAMPP, then htdocs, and here POS barcode, and I am going to paste that folder in our UI folder. Okay, so right click and paste here. Okay, you can see here fpdf. So okay, perfect. Let's minimize this and open our browser, and let's create a new file in our UI folder, which name will be printbill.php. okay, and inside that I can write code for our fpdf file. Okay, first of all, here are some steps we need to follow. So let me paste this, comment out this, and you can see here call the in first step we need to call the fpdf library. So for calling the fpdf library we need a require method, and here I can add here fpdf folder, then fpdf.php file. Okay, let's terminate this. Okay, by this line we have included our fpdf php file here. Okay, and after this we need you can see here A4 width. There are some instruction I can tell you about this. Means A4 width is equal to 219 mm. Okay, and default margin is 10 mm each side, means writable horizontal 219 minus 10 into 2 means 199 mm. So the horizontal width we will get 199 mm in A4 size sheet. Okay, and after this here we need to create the FPDF object. So you can see here this line I need to create here. Here we need to pass, here we have passed 3 parameters, first parameter, second parameter and third parameter. So what is this? So you can see here starting orientation P or L means P or L means portrait or landscape. So we can give here P or L. Okay, you can see here P is for portrait and L is for landscape. And in the second parameter you can see the second line string unit. The string unit we can pass in mm means millimeter and pt means point, cm centimeter and in is for inch. So this is the measure unit we will pass here in the second parameter. And here in the third parameter we pass mixed format like A3 format of our page, A4 format or A5 format of pages. It may be later or legal. Okay, and we can also define here the size of a page. We can define the width and height also according to our requirement. Okay, now after that we need to here write a method which name is a PDF 8 page. Okay, and after the 8 page we will use here for the output okay, perfect. Now let's save our file and let's go on our order list, refresh our file order list, and let's click here print bill. Perfect, you can see here we have successfully created our A4 size page for billing. Okay, you can see here we can write anything here. Okay, we can print anything or we can print our database value, database data on this page for create our invoice or printing bill. So let's go on our text editor, and here we can simply let me show you what we can do. After the add page we can write code for printing a string. So how can we write? Simply here let me write first, then I will explain you. So $PDF we call a function which name is cell, and inside the cell we pass some parameters like I am passing 60 and 8, and in the here I am passing cyber inc. Okay, and here after the column I will pass 1 and again 1 and comma C. Let's terminate this and save. Let's see the output. Refresh our file. Okay, it is showing us error, font has been set. Font has been okay, we need to set the font here for the string. So for setting up the font we need to write again a line $PDF then set font. So I am setting here Arial, and here I am going to give bold, and here I am going to give 16. Terminate. Let's save and see the output. It is showing us the output or not. Perfect. Okay, you can see here our string cyber inc. Just like that we can print lots of data here on this page, and we can get the printout from the printer. Okay, so you can see here let me explain you. Here you can see a image cell method, and here you can see in the first parameter we define the width, and in the second parameter we define the height, and in the third parameter we define the string, which string we want to print. Okay, and here in the fourth parameter we give here 0 or 1. 1 is for frame, okay, for the border, and 0 we give here for no border, okay. And after this one, on the fifth parameter, we have given here 0. So 0 means, you can see, we can define the position after the cell. From using of 0 we can define to right, and using of 1 start of next line, you can see here, and 2 means below, okay. And after the 0 we have R in the sixth parameter. So R means align. In the sixth parameter we can define the align, where we want to align our string, left or center or right. So we can define here R, L and C, okay. And after that, in the seventh parameter we give here true or false for background fill, okay. If we want to fill the background, we give here true. If we don't want to fill the background, we give here false, or we can keep it empty, okay. And in the add parameter we can define the link here, okay. I hope you got this. So just like that, here I have given the 60 width and height and the string, okay, and so on. And here we need to set the font for every cell. We have set the Arial, and we have given here the bold, and we have defined here the size of the string, okay. So I hope you got this. If I give here, let me check, 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have given here the 6 parameter. If I give here 0, I then see the result. What is the result? You can see here the border is gone from here, okay. So from 0 or 1, 0 means no border and 1 means the border. So let's save and let's see again, okay. So I hope you got this. What is the FPDF? There are lots of things we need to write, or we need to learn in this FPDF. So in the next video I will write code for our bill receipt or for our invoice. Then I will explain you the code, all the code of our print bill file, okay. So see you in next video.